Imagine waking up one morning, but this time, there is no money at all. Your wallet isn't just empty, it doesn't exist. Your bank cards are invalid, and your banking apps on your phone won't work. Store shelves are empty, people are panicking on the streets, and taxis have stopped. At first, it might feel strange, but soon chaos begins. People queue for food and water, neighbors help each other. Most businesses stop operating, and the concept of salary loses all meaning. That 5-minute routine of buying your morning coffee is now impossible. Your commute costs are meaningless. Bills cannot be paid. In short, most aspects of our lives depend on money. This simple scenario shows just how critical money really is, but it also raises a deeper question. Is money just paper and metal, or is it part of a larger system? For most of us, money is just banknotes, coins, or numbers in a bank account. But money is much more than that. At its simplest, money is a tool that facilitates the exchange of goods and services. Its real power lies in being a system of trust. Think about it. The $5 bill in my hand is useless on its own. You cannot buy food, drink, or produce goods with it. Yet the store owner gives me bread in exchange for it, because society collectively believes this paper has value. This is the essence of money, a shared belief and system of trust. Thanks to this trust, billions of people worldwide can conduct economic activities. Money touches every part of our lives. Buying coffee, paying for transportation, paying rent, shopping online. All of this is possible because people trust money. To understand the importance of money, we need to go back to a time when it didn't exist, the barter system. Imagine a farmer with 50 kilos of wheat wanting milk. He goes to the shepherd and says, "I'll give you 10 kilos of wheat for 1 liter of milk." But the shepherd doesn't want wheat. Maybe he wants leather or something else. The trade fails. Economists call this the double coincidence of wants. The biggest challenge of barter is that both parties must simultaneously need what the other offers. On top of that, transporting and storing goods was difficult. Imagine carrying hundreds of sheep to buy a house. Measuring value was impossible. How many kilos of wheat is one sheep worth? These challenges led humans to seek a portable and reliable form of value. That's how money was born, a universally accepted tool that facilitates exchange. Throughout history, money took many forms: gold, silver, paper, coins, digital numbers, but its essence never changed. It is a medium of exchange based on society's trust. Economists say money has 3 main functions: medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. When you buy a coffee, money acts as a medium of exchange. The coffee costing $5 shows money as a unit of account. And if you keep that $5 in your wallet instead, money is a store of value. These 3 functions form the foundation of the monetary system and allow the economy to work smoothly. The history of money goes back thousands of years. Grain units in Mesopotamia were the first forms of money. Metals like gold and silver were valued for their durability. Around 600 BC, the Kingdom of Lydia issued the first coins. In the 7th century, paper money appeared in China. Modern banknotes emerged in 17th century Europe. Today, the US dollar is the world's strongest reserve currency. In every era, money adapted to society's needs, but its function remained the same: to measure value and facilitate exchange. Today, most money is digital. Salaries are deposited directly into bank accounts, and payments are made via credit cards or phones. Cryptocurrencies have now become a serious alternative. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other decentralized digital currencies are seen as the money of the future, though some experts view them as a risky bubble. Money's role in our lives is not only economic, but also psychological, social, and cultural. People work harder to earn more, sometimes measure happiness by money. But money alone doesn't bring happiness. What matters is how we use it. Money touches every moment of our lives and is one of the foundational pillars of society. There are also fascinating money stories. In 2010, on Bitcoin Pizza Day, a person bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, that Bitcoin would be worth billions of dollars. In 2008, hyperinflation in Zimbabwe forced people to carry trillion-dollar notes for bread. More than 60% of global trade is still conducted in US dollars, showing the immense power of money worldwide. In conclusion, money is not just paper or numbers. It is one of humanity's greatest inventions, but it is a fragile system, dependent on collective belief. Will money become fully digital in the future? Will cryptocurrencies replace traditional money, or will we still carry banknotes and coins? Think about these questions and share your thoughts in the comments. Money is not just about economics. It is a central element of human history, trust, and society itself.